two analytics platforms grabbing headlines in 2025. One built for privacy, the other for product insights. Which one really delivers? On the left, Fathom Analytics, the simple, privacy-first web analytics tool. And on the right, Heap Analytics, packed with deep, automatic product analytics. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. We'll break it down category by category. Each earns points, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the brain dump. Let's lay out our categories for the comparison. We've got pricing and plans, privacy and data control, ease of use and setup, features and analytics depth, integrations and ecosystem, and of course, user reviews and ratings. Buckle up. Let's kick it off with pricing and plans. Fathom's approach is super straightforward. You pay $15 per month, get up to 100,000 page views, and there aren't any confusing tiers. But the small catch is there's no completely free plan, so you sort of have to commit up front. Now, Heap? Yeah, they actually have a free plan for smaller sites. 10,000 sessions a month. That's awesome for side projects or new startups. But if you want advanced stuff, let's just say you'll need to talk to their sales team. Pricing gets more mysterious at that point, which is kind of annoying. For transparency and just outright simplicity, Fathom sneaks ahead as the winner here. Next up, privacy and data control. This is where Fathom really flexes. It's designed for privacy from the ground up. No cookies, full GDPR compliance, and your data is yours. Like, it's the analytics platform for people who get nervous about cookie pop-ups. The trade-off is you don't get those advanced targeting features that tap into user IDs. Heap, on the flip side, is more of the standard. Good security, decent compliance, and lets you slice and dice users for segmentation. But it grabs way more data by default, so privacy takes a back seat. If you care about privacy above everything else, honestly, Fathom's the clear winner. Ease of use and setup is actually interesting. Fathom makes it almost comically simple. You just slap in one script and you're off to the races. It's clean, minimal, there are no confusing dashboards waiting to attack you. Only downside? Power users might feel a little, well, boxed in. Now, with Heap, the setup is almost magic. Auto capture means it just starts picking up user actions instantly. Even if tech is not really your thing, you're sorted. But all that data can kind of swamp you if you're new. And honestly, it's easy to lose yourself in analysis paralysis. Both make onboarding pretty painless, but lean into opposite vibes. So I'd call this a tie. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Fathom Analytics actually runs everything on a single global server to keep things private and super snappy, while Heap's auto capture engine is out here handling billions of events for some of the biggest SaaS platforms you've probably heard of. Wild difference in scale, right? Features and analytics depth. This is where things get spicy, right? Fathom goes with the essentials. You get page views, some basic segmentation, UTM tracking, and a real-time dashboard. Retention's forever, by the way. No data vanishing into the ether. But if you want fancy stuff like conversion funnels or any serious user journey mapping, there's nothing for you. Heap is absolutely loaded here. Auto capture grabs everything. You've got funnels, cohorts, custom events, segmentation, heck, even mobile analytics for iOS and Android. It does get kinda laggy with huge datasets, and customizing charts isn't super flexible. Still, for analytics depth, Heap just blows Fathom out of the water. On to integrations and ecosystem. Fathom integrates with major CMSs and, has a Google Analytics import, which is pretty handy if you're switching. But really, it's not built for tons of external connections. Heap? Heap goes all in. Connects with Salesforce, Marketo, Slack, HubSpot, you name it. Even custom API pipelines if you're feeling adventurous. Some of the bigger integrations need a pricier plan though, which stings a bit. But if you need serious ecosystem muscle, Heap is the easy winner. Finally, user reviews and ratings. Fathom gets a ton of love for being simple, private, and super fast. G2 score is 4.6 out of 5, which is honestly impressive. People do wish it had more advanced stuff sometimes. Heap scores 4.4, mostly for the depth of features and auto capture. The main knocks are the slow UI when you've got mountains of data, and pricing is, well, still a bit of a mystery. For sheer happiness factor, Fathom just edges past Heap. If you mapped this out in a radar chart, Fathom spikes on privacy, user satisfaction, and simplicity, but Heap covers way more ground with features and integrations. It's almost like picking between the perfect weekend car and an overpowered race truck. So wrapping this up, if privacy is literally your top concern and you just want clean, fast analytics without any extra drama, Fathom's the way to go, especially for smaller teams or, anyone tired of cookie banners. But if you're diving deep into product analytics, need more flexibility, or run a big SaaS, Heap honestly packs the punch. Both have their quirks, but the right one jumps out depending on what you value most. Like comparisons like this? Make sure you hit follow for more honest, timely breakdowns on tools that are actually worth